stunning talking storybooks in any language and any profitable niche in just 60 seconds. Just enter a keyword and let AI storybooks do the magic. Design, style, voice, language, and generate a full talking storybook in minutes. Books have always been the most powerful way to inspire, educate, and leave a legacy. We've all grown up with stories that shaped our dreams, built our imagination, and maybe, deep down, you've always wanted to write a book of your own. A book that moves people. A story that gets remembered. Something your readers would feel, hear, and see come to life. But let's be honest. Writing a book? That felt impossible. You don't know where to start, you're not a writer, you don't have time, you can't design or voice it. And let's not even talk about formatting and publishing headaches. Well, what if you could skip all that? What if your dream book could be written, illustrated, narrated, and published in just minutes? Introducing AI Storybooks, the world's first AI app that creates and sells stunning, interactive, talking storybooks in any language and any trending niche. All with zero writing, zero design, and zero stress. Imagine this. You enter a keyword. AI instantly writes your story, adds matching visuals, background music, human-like voices, and turns it into a magical digital book. The book talks, it plays, it engages every reader like never before. Now imagine publishing it to Amazon KDP, Etsy, Apple Books, Kobo, and more, and earning passive income. While building your brand as an author, a creator, a storyteller, it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and enter a keyword. Just describe your book idea, or let AI do the thinking. Step 2. Customize. Add videos, GIFs, audio, visuals, clickable CTAs, voiceovers, your avatar, and more. Step 3. Publish and profit. Export or instantly publish your talking storybook to Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Apple Books, Kobo, and more. Earn passive income and grow your fan base worldwide. You can create fairy tales, animal adventures, cartoon stories, bedtime stories, moral lessons, coloring books, science and space, mystery stories, friendship tales, inspirational stories, and so much more. Whatever your niche, your age group, your language, AI Storybooks makes it possible. The storybook industry is a goldmine. This is not just a creative tool, this is a business in a box. The global storybook market is already worth $151 billion and is expected to cross $192 billion by 2030. Authors, creators, and coaches are making a fortune by publishing just one good book. So why not you? You're not just creating a book, you're building an audience, you're earning trust, you're becoming an expert, you're building passive income, and most importantly, you're making a difference with your stories. Do you know freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge upwards of $500 to $1,000 or more for book creation services, which you can do in seconds now? Imagine, if you ever put a gig there on Fiverr or Upwork, you will beat all competitions in no time with an AI interactive book creator commercial license. Let me show you the power-packed features of AI Storybooks. Turn any URL, PDF, or keyword into interactive talking books. AI voice narration with text highlighting. Add videos, GIFs, backgrounds, avatars, and CTAs. 3D kids icons and DFY background templates. Embed books on websites or landing pages. Drag and drop book editor. Flipbook and mobile-style reading modes. Convert PDFs to flipbooks. Create book albums from images. Password protect or make public. Custom domain for publishing. Built-in AI content enhancer. QR code generator for easy sharing. 20 million plus stock images, videos, and graphics. 100% mobile responsive. Commercial license included. Download, sell, share, and publish books anywhere. And so much more. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to publish books that truly connect with your readers? Imagine people engaging with your books longer, interacting with them, learning and enjoying every moment. This isn't a passing trend. Storytelling books and interactive publishing is the future, and now you can be a part of it. The global storybook industry is projected to reach $192 billion by 2030. And AI plus interactive storybooks are set to lead this massive transformation. Early adopters will dominate. Don't miss this golden opportunity to take the lead. And right now is the best time. During this special launch period, you can grab AI Storybooks at the lowest price ever. But I have to warn you, the price is increasing fast, and once the launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly fees or hidden charges. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access. Plus, your